mistake. Approaching you guys in such late terms was one of the biggest things I have ever regretted. Um,
Thank you.
my grandfather, my grandmother actually, he's a huge fan of this I don't know what story this is. This bagpiper story, wherein this piper used to like play flute, and all the rats like fell off the cliff. My grandma is a huge fan, and I very foolish the same way. Without thinking, I was like, India का सबसे बड़ा coaching center है. I'll go, मुझे भी सबसे अच्छा marks आएगा. And that was a huge mistake. I don't know about offline courses, sir, but I think I was in I'll tell you 4 major things, sir. One, learning was an extreme inconvenience. We could not ask for doubts. We could not clear our doubts. The teaching was like a train track. So it was chalte gaye, पूछा नहीं कि किसी को आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. That was none of their concern. Third thing was there was zero continuity. Like every month there would be a new teacher for physics, someone new for chemistry, and that person would not pick up exactly from where the old person left. These three things was the major issue. And I think the fourth thing, which was the biggest thing of all, was this fear that they instilled in us. It felt कि हम कर रहे हैं, but हम not enough. We are not doing enough. Because I still remember this. My exam got over on some Saturday, sir. My 10th board exams got over on some Saturday. Or अगले Wednesday से the first batch began.
No, I
And
understand.
the worst part is they blame you. Ki madam, and when my parents asked, they're like, madam, aapka bacha is not doing the required amount of hard work. So that was there. After that came my real disappointment, sir. We got private offline tutors. And oh my God, we would pay them and they would never show up. They would never show up because, sir, I had a strict timetable. I had a very strict timetable कि like 2 बजे को tuition है, मतलब मुझे 2 बजे को tuition है. And this sir of mine would not show up until 3:30. And my situation will be, मैंने खाना नहीं खाया. My program will be 1.5 hours of tuition, 2 to 3:30. 3:30 के बाद खाना खाकर until 4 is my break. This person shows up only at 3:30. And this went on for months, sir. Tuition, sir, after tuition, sir. And everyone would have some or the other problem. They would not show up. And I guess the problem was, वो सिखाते नहीं, sir. It would be like कोई recording play कर रहा हो. They just tell you whatever they know. And there would be no interaction, sir. मुझे समझ आया कि नहीं. I would sit there blank. It will be like people telling me words out of a dictionary whose meaning I do not know. And after all of this was when we like found you and we approached you, sir. Then was when we actually found someone who worked out for us. Sir, let me tell you on this knowledge thing, Shivam sir knows his subject in depth, like in and out. I will tell you this clearly because मेरे जो पिछले physics tutors हैं ना sir, they would never be able to clear my physics doubts on spot. उनसे होती नहीं थी to clear any of my physics doubts on spot. But Shivam sir was not like that, sir. Even like 10-15 minutes before the class, if you like send him the information required, कि sir मुझे ये questions doubt है, on spot, he clears all of your doubts. So depending on that, like on his reaction to all my doubts and any doubt you ask him in the middle of the class, he's ready to answer, sir. Very few of them, अगर and questions he has not got, पक्का बता रही हूँ 95% of time the question is wrong. That would be the situation and the case. So in terms of knowledge, he was very good, sir. He knows his subject in and out. Or he has a very nonchalant attitude, sir. He does not judge any question. He's like doubt है, मतलब doubt है. It does not matter कि question is in what level. It does not matter. All he wants is he wants it to be in line with the subject you're reading, with the chapter that you're doing. फालतू का कोई chapter का कोई doubt उठा के like in not relevance. If you ask him, he'll take any question that you want. Apart from that, sir, his maturity level is amazing. He was very much of this elder brother figure to me, because with like 3 months of meet, and he took it quite slow, sir. He took it in whichever speed that I particularly wanted, and I got scared. मुझे डर लगने लगा कि like will I be able to finish the portions or not? अगर खत्म कर पाऊंगी तो कितना I will be able to finish. तो बार बार like even without me, I think he sensed that, sir. मैंने उनको कभी बताया नहीं कि like I'm feeling this, but he sensed that, and he would constantly tell me कि बच्चा quality over quantity, फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम कितना सॉल्व करती हो, कितना जानती हो, it matters कि you know it thoroughly. अगर even small portions you have covered in this 3 months, it matters you do it in like very well, you know your knowledge in and out. That was definitely something that I felt with him. He was very patient with me, sir. He kept doing this, and I get at one point of time it also was like he also wanted to finish, even though quantity is not the biggest thing. It matters that you finish at least a significant amount of portions. So he handled that very well, sir. For in 3 months to finish the amount of portions that he has finished in as good as he has, it was a very good thing. It's like I was surprised by the end of 3 months कि मुझे इतना सब आ गया. Like I know so much at the end of 3 months. So that was definitely something which Shivam sir that I felt. Every single physics whom I have got, अगर उनको वो doubt clear नहीं, not able to solve, डांटते हैं sir. They will scold you and make you feel that this doubt of yours is irrelevant.
That is a stupidity, you know. That is, to be very frank, I'm using the harsh word, but this is a stupidity. One of the most important quality a teacher should have is that it is humility. Okay. अब होता क्या है कि अब it is very important to tell the student what the teacher is thinking. That is very important. अब जैसे मैं पढ़ाता था तो मैं बच्चों को ये नहीं पढ़ाता था कि ये क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व होना है, ठीक है. मैं उनको ये बोलता था कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूं इस टाइम पे. अब जब मैंने ये लाइन लिख दिया, मैं दूसरी लाइन पे क्या सोच रहा हूं, तीसरी लाइन पे क्या सोच रहा हूं, और जब एंड में जाके सपोज उसका आंसर गलत हो गया तो इसमें दो बेनिफिट होंगे. एक तो मैंने अपना थॉट प्रोसेस जो है वो ट्रांसफर कर दिया स्टूडेंट के पास, और दूसरा मुझे भी पता चल जाएगा अच्छा मैंने कहां गलती की हुई है, ठीक है. और the students are so mature. After talking with you, I can even sense more that the student understand then the teacher can also go wrong. Okay. But then
to be honest, physics was very difficult for me. At one point I began hating physics. That is the blunt truth. I hated physics, sir. I was like, in my school we had this very popular notion all these physicists and all these scientists उनको काम नहीं था, sir. They were jobless people at one point of time who just wanted their name in history and decided to do something, and because of them our life is being hell. It was only after Shivam sir that I had this notion of physics is something doable. Physics is something doable. Before and all, for me personally, अगर मुझे कोई सब्जेक्ट अच्छा नहीं लगता था, I would treat it like a cactus plant. मैं उसके बाजू में ही जाऊंगी सर. I won't even touch that subject. मुझे पढ़ना ही नहीं आपको. I will treat it like that. But Shivam sir, he was always like, you do it. Although he instilled that you wanted to give it a try. That was something that it was very beautiful that I also found, to make a student who treated a subject as something that she never wants to even lay a finger on. He made very why don't I give this a try?
Correct.
It would not be like मुझे अचानक से प्यार हो गया physics से, but I had a very very positive attitude towards physics after I met Shivam sir.
Great.
And in chemistry my basics were strong, but at the same time I was not intellectually या फिर intelligent enough to approach neat questions, sir. वहाँ पर Parul ma'am played a very big role. She was very like she clearly differentiated कि तुम्हें basics आता है, but the main aim over here is to make questions you have to be able to solve, because the format of question was completely MCQ based. So Parul ma'am, she made sure to mold me in a way ताकि मुझे समझ में भी आए and I could solve the questions in the specific time given, sir. That was where like Parul ma'am played like a huge role, sir. And Parul ma'am, it never really felt like we were studying. लग रहा था कि like मेरे कोई classmate के साथ I have a study group going on.
Yeah, this is very important that you have a kind of bonding with the teacher. It look like you're talking with a friend rather than a teacher. So that is very important, you know.
Yes, that was there. And she was always same like Shivam sir. She kept me very positive, sir. She never made me like what fear never set in, sir. Even in physics as well as chemistry, वो fear की सिर्फ 3 महीने बाकी है. That never set in for me. It was always feel like I have time and I'm doing enough. I'm doing enough. That was always something that Parul ma'am like she kept giving ahead for me. And the same thing goes for Parul ma'am as well, sir. Whatever doubts you had in chemistry, she could solve anything on spot. It was never कि ये छोटा doubt है, ये बड़ा doubt है, and things like that. The major problem that I particularly faced with chemistry was in a few things. Organic chemistry by nature is difficult for a few people. Memorize करने के लिए बहुत चीजें हैं. That was not much that anyone can help. Apart from that, मेरी problem was block chapters. I call it block chapter. S block है, P block है, D and F block होते हैं. मुझे उन chapters में याद रखने की दिक्कत होती थी. Quite often, बहुत often याद नहीं होता था कि down the group ये value बढ़ता है कि घटता है. Like size increases down the group, electronegativity increase होता है कि घटता है. That would always be a constant confusion for me. And ma'am, not once, sir, not once she ever got angry. She ever was like, तुम्हें अभी भी ये याद नहीं हुआ. She was never like, इतना कम समय बचा है. So that was something that I really liked in ma'am a lot.
Great.
So that was definitely there.